Welcome back to Cooking with Candace. If you need a high-protein, plant-based dinner that feels like a warm hug in a bowl, you have to make this lemon pepper chickpea skillet. It is incredibly hearty, packed with flavor, and comes together in just one pot. We are combining tender chickpeas with a rich, savory broth, a bold kick of black pepper, and bright, zesty lemon to balance it all out. It's the ultimate comfort food that's actually good for you. This is one of my favorite meals to prep for the week because it honestly tastes even better the next day. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button for more delicious protein-packed recipes. Let's get cooking. For this recipe, you'll need 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter, 2 cloves of garlic minced or 1 tablespoon of garlic paste, 2 teaspoons of lemon pepper seasoning, half a teaspoon each of salt and mustard powder, 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of vegetable broth, 2 15.5-ounce cans of chickpeas drained, 1 cup of heavy cream, some lemon, and around half a cup of freshly grated Parmesan cheese. And also you can add chopped Italian parsley at the end, but I'm gonna add cilantro because I don't like parsley. All right, so now we're over at the stove top. We have our large saucepan. I'm using a Dutch oven, and we're gonna turn the heat on to medium, and we are going to melt our butter. Now that the butter is melted, we are going to start our flavor base for this dish. So we're gonna add our garlic and our lemon pepper seasoning and our salt and mustard powder. And we're only gonna cook this for like 1 to 2 minutes until it's fragrant. And if you only have salted butter, just don't add extra salt to it. Okay, now we're gonna add our all-purpose flour, and we're gonna make sure it gets all combined. And this is just for thickening purposes, to thicken the sauce. Okay, now we're gonna slowly add our vegetable broth. So add it slowly and mix as you go. Okay, now that it's starting to thicken the sauce, we're going to add our chickpeas. Now I'm just gonna mix this in. And cover it for about 5 minutes. All right, now that it's been around 5 minutes, we're gonna shut it off. And we're gonna remove this from the heat now. All right, so now we are going to add our heavy cream, our Parmesan cheese, and we're gonna mix this. And then I'm gonna garnish with some lemons in there. And this is when you can add your parsley. I'm adding cilantro. And then also I'm gonna add some fresh black pepper. And that's as easy as that. She is ready to enjoy. All right, so now I'm going to try it. That broth is unbelievable. You get the warmth from the pepper right at the end, and the lemon just makes everything pop. This dish is so comforting. As always, you can find the full recipe with all the exact measurements and instructions down in the description box below. I'd love to hear from you. What are you serving this dish with? Are you a rice person, or are you dipping some crusty bread into it? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel so you never miss a video. Thank you so much for cooking with me today, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.